So growing in Romania, as a child, I grew up without being educated on how to take care of my teeth. So I had a lot of missing teeth on both upper sides of my mouth. I had a hard time eating. I had pain. I had gum loss, bone loss, and of course that affects your eating habits, affects your self-esteem, affects your life quality. I didn't have much hope. After seeing my regular dentist, he mentioned Dr. Carlos Castro. Knowing his enthusiasm and devotion for people with problems like yours, I think he will give you a good answer. He'll have a solution for you. So I did. That's how it all started. I will always remember that moment because he said to me, Dr. Carlos, I'm going to be honest with you, this is not easy, but I'm going to do anything possible to have your smile restored and you being happy. Having all the implants successfully implanted and just having my teeth on the back. You know, it's amazing. From nothing, from zero, you have 2 new sets of teeth. You know, look at this. I mean, how you call this? To me, this is perfection. Yes, I'm very pleased. I'm beyond pleased. Very grateful. Yes.